Hey everyone, this is GCP Decode. In this video, we will discuss the solution for this lab. After starting the lab, open this Logger in incognito window, then log in it with your provided username and password. So for email, copy this username, paste it here, and for password, copy this password, paste it here, and log in. Now wait for some time. Then click on this Explore. Then click on this Order Items. After this, click on this Users drop-down arrow and then select city, and then scroll down to the bottom. You will get this count option. Also select this, and after that make sure to click on this arrow which is present after user counts. This is important to click on this arrow. So simply click on this arrow and then click now it. Now set this raw limit to 10. Then click on run. Okay. After clicking on this run, expand this visualization. Just simply click on this drop down of the visualization. You will get this graph. After that, click on this gear icon and then click on save and select as a new dashboard. Make sure that your folder is selected developer students. For title, come back to the lab instruction page. Click on the task number 2. From the point number 2 of task number 2, copy this name, user count per city, paste it here in title, then click on save. After that, you will get this user count per city has been saved as a new dashboard. Click on this view dashboard and then click on this save option. After that, we have completed with this lab. You can simply click on check my progress for each and every task. If you also face this, okay. So we have got the green tick here, and then click on this task number 1. Click on the task number 1 and check my progress. So we have got the green tick in each and every task. Now you can simply end this lab from here.